Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about what is social networking, what are the purpose of this social network, how it works, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this usage of social networking. Now let's see what is social networking. It is just a practice of building and maintaining relationship online through platform designed for communication and sharing. Some of the social networking platforms are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. All these are social networking platforms. They let you create profile, connect with people, share your thoughts, photos, videos, and even your current location. Social networking is all about making digital connection, whether it is with friends, family, colleagues, or even people you have never met in real life. And these connection forms digital community where ideas, information, and emotions travel very fast. So, what are the key aspects of social networking? As I told you, building and maintain relationship, information sharing, communication, community building, professional networking, and it is also useful for business and marketing. Now, let's see how does this social networking works. You create a profile on a platform like Instagram. You follow others, they follow you. You post something, a photo, it may be a story or reel. What people do, they see and they react. They might like it, comment it, or share it. That's interaction. Behind the scene, algorithms are hard at work. They are tracking what you like, who you interact with, and what kind of content you spend time on. Based on that, they show you more of what you love or at least what they think you will click on. So, the key operation in social networkings are platform and profiles, connecting and interacting like sharing, commenting, messaging, liking and reacting, tailoring content and interaction, building and maintaining relationship and underlying technologies. The it is like a massive digital ecosystem that constantly evolving with every click. What are the purpose of social networking? Why do we use social network? So major purposes are sharing, learning, interacting and marketing. What is sharing? It is nothing but a communication. We use it to keep in touch with friends and family, especially across distances. Then learning. Many people join groups and follow pages to learn new skills, join webinars, or share knowledges. Then what is interacting? It is like a professional networking platform like LinkedIn help professional connect, find job and grow their careers. And it is useful in marketing also. How they are using it in marketing? Businesses use social media to promote their product and build customer relationship. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, or a business owner, there is something on social media for everybody. Everybody. Types of social networking. Now let's break it down even further. There are different types of social networking platforms, each with its own unique focus. Some are social connection, professional connection, sharing of multimedia, news or informational, communication, and also for educational. Social networks like Facebook and Instagram are for personal connection. Professional network like LinkedIn focus on career and industry related connections. Multimedia and sharing platform like YouTube and Pinterest revolve around sharing videos, images and visual content. Educational network like ResearchGate or Edemo help students and academics connect and collaborate. Each type of platform offer a unique way to engage with others depending on your interest and goals. So, what are the advantages of social networking? It gives brand awareness, instant reachability, builds a business success, and increase website traffic. Whereas the disadvantages are rumors and misinformation. We give negative reviews and comment, data security and privacy concerns, time consuming process, in case of product development or to reach the product at a higher level, it is like a time consuming process. So there you have it. A full circle look at what social networking is, how it works, and why it's so important in today's digital age. But remember, while networking brings on us together, it also comes with privacy risks and security challenges, which we will explore in next episodes. Thank you.